Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add new virtual machine to the existing cluster. RancherOS is already installed, so we have to launch a Notakey container. Now let's create a user we will use for appliance configuration later. Okay, let's configure some parameters now. First is the host name, so choose one you could remember, and data center name. Data center name should be the same for all nodes in the cluster. Now we just need to provide the IP address of one of the members of the cluster, and that's it. Machine is connected to the cluster now, and according to procedure we have to reboot it. We are logged in with newly made user Notakey admin, and now let's check the cluster status. So we can see that our newly made machine is successfully connected to the cluster. To manipulate the cluster, we can use a command line interface. Let's leave the newly made cluster. Now we have two machines with identical configuration. Let's clear all data. Let's start the cluster. Now we have unconfigured appliance again. And we can connect back to the cluster. And only thing we need to know is just IP address of one of the members of the existing cluster. Now we can choose what to do with this machine. So in case we have many cluster members, we can use the machine just for quorum. We can start different services like authentication service, authentication proxy, whatever we want. And we can add a virtual IP address to this machine to participate in this cluster with a specific role. In corporate environment, usually one machine is primary responsible for VPN requests, and the other machine is primarily responsible for, let's say, single sign-on requests. But in case of trouble, the one machine could manage both tasks if we configure virtual IP addresses properly. To get some insight how to configure many IP addresses for Notakey Appliance, please check my VRP configuration video. That's all for now, and thank you for watching.